Hey, Groggy Man, play the drum, man. Hey, this is your man, Babu Marley, back, just like my friend Ben Rain. I got another friend, his name, hey, what's his name? Jarryd Hayne now.
Jarryd Hayne.
Oh, Hayne played in PG7.
Jarryd Hayne.
He's the plane and the train now.
The Hayne plane train.
Oh, Hayne, you are the number one.
Jarryd Hayne.
Listen to me, my name is Babu Marley. Here to talk about my friend Jarryd Hayne. 1 week ago he joined the team, then he at the London 7. Now we on the way to the Olympics. We need the series big golden digits. Number 1 coach, my friend Ben Ryan, and a very deadly player, and his name is Jarryd Hayne now.
Jarryd Hayne.
Oh, Hayne played in PG7.
Jarryd Hayne.
He's the plane and the train now.
Hayne train crane.
Oh, Hayne, you are the number one.
Jarryd Hayne.
Australia, stop complaining, asking why Jarryd Hayne playing for PG. How Hayne playing can be wallaby when your team management never even ask him. You make it the story about his base. All the Aussie media should go it away. Talk it all the time, but I know he will stay. It's a Babu Marley song from my friend Jarryd Hayne. And Jarryd Hayne now.
Jarryd Hayne.
Oh, Hayne played in PG7.
Jarryd Hayne.
He's the plane and the train now.
Hayne train crane.
Oh, Hayne, you are the number one.
Jarryd Hayne.
Yeah, this is Babu Marley once again for Ben Ryan and the Jarryd Hayne. All the way to Rio, boys. From London straight to Rio. Bring it back the gold and the cola and the sun.